Okay, welcome to day, 79. Yep, day 79 I can think of. And yep, we have some stuff to do. So it's been a while since we had the ridgecrest earthquake from July, but this time it's in a different area. The ridgecrest, the 4th of July earthquakes. So yep, that probably ruined one of the Agents of Shield's episode that night. So yep, that. So yeah, we have the richest earthquake. This time it's 5.5 and can be fast. Probably at Salt Lake City in Utah, Redding and Cary, Tijuana in Mexico, Phoenix in Arizona. So it can be felt as far as Utah or maybe Colorado. When Magna in Utah had an earthquake some time ago. Yep. So yep, in the meantime, we don't know. In the meantime, when we have the next earthquake happening 2 days in a row, that's similar to one for 4th of July, we'll see. But first for the news, we have a protest going on, and also in Newport Beach, there's a mini passing through protesters without any injury. And in fact, the car is a Mini Cooper. While others had to wait. So in the meantime, we have the protest going on again. And the earthquake at the same time. In Minnesota, 4 police officers that were with George Floyd has been sentenced. One was charged earlier. One has been charged earlier, so they're having a court this afternoon about 3 p.m. Central. So, and I think they could be guilty or something. One has been in prison earlier will increase the prison time and the crime too. The other 3 just got in custody and was sentenced. And in my last week's vlog, where I put the thumbnail, these are the 4 police fire officers just a week before they've been charged. One was charged a couple days later though. And in the meantime, we have some. In the meantime, and then some time ago, probably a few days ago, one woman that was with one of the officers that were fired got divorced as part of it in the protest. And on this Monday and Tuesday, we have a funeral for him. That could end the protest. That could end, but we don't know. But I might worry about, I don't know about primetime schedule yet. But Song is still going, so far it's still good. We don't know about next week yet. So yep, I think this is it for the news, and we have some clips to show, but first the protest ones. And they're both outside of Kuwait. For the first one, I don't know if I can name it, but I know it smashed through the front doors at one of the Best Buy locations. And I muted it due to copyright reasons. but still, but you can hear this is America with first 15 seconds. I made it the first 15 seconds to prevent copyright. So you can only hear right here just people screaming, and it broke through the front doors at Best Buy. And in a different part of the US, you can see there are people ready to Rolex store while you can hear the sirens outside. Okay, now we back in Kuwait. So for the next one, you can see other parts store is on fire, and you can also be in a different angle. And yes, I think I probably like one of the next one where a man plays tennis with his body until he gives up. Is it possible that people use tennis rackets though? Okay, I think we are done with the clips for today. But my personal favorite is the man playing tennis with his body. It's my favorite one though. And I think it's the best one I ever seen. And including and that one clip moment that says, when there's sirens outside. You can also hear American sirens for the third one, but it's not related to a protest, though. And we're moving on to the photos. So in Florence, South Carolina, there's a protest. You can see one that says sirens support the oppressor. And you can see one of the protesters kneeling down. And most people are also kneeling down at a random intersection. Okay, yep. So, yep. It's been a week since we had an unrest, but it could be shorter than the Ferguson one. But other than the ones in Lebanon and Hong Kong. So, yep. I think this is it for today. And I will see you guys tomorrow for more news.
Minnesota State Patrol, violation